It's been a long time. We shouldn't have left you without a dope beat. Step two, step two, step two, step two, step two. Baby girl,
What would you do to get to me? What would you say to have your way?
Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is when I come on with a bonnet. It's time for a wig install. Today's wig is from JULIASHAIR. This is just the wig. I did put some crimps in it like 2 days ago. They're still kind of there, but mostly fallen. I did dye this hair jet black, and of course I customized it, plucked the hairline, bleached the knots, everything. Hair is 32 inches. So I'm very excited to install this wig today. This is a 5x5 HD lace closure. This is just how the inside of the wig looks. It comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. I believe the density is about 250. It's really thick to be a 32-inch wig. So yeah, the only thing I will say about this wig, I kid you not, I had to bleach these knots at least 3 times. Like, the knots would not go away. I bleached the knots so many times that I end up over bleaching the hair, so it's like some blonde roots. But I'm gonna go in and fix that with my black spray once I install. Yeah, you can really see how, I don't know if you probably can't see, it probably looks like scalp, but I really over bleached these knots. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these combs out and I'll be right back. Okay, that's weird. I just noticed that I only cut out 1 comb from the side, so maybe they forgot to sew in the other comb, I don't know. But yeah, literally it was only 1 comb on one of these sides. Yeah, I am feeling a little bit under the weather today. I don't know like what or why or what the hell happened from last week. I was fine last week, but I don't know, my throat is like really scratchy. I'm not having any other symptoms other than my sinus draining and my throat being scratchy. I do have allergies, so that could be it. I've been drinking tea and drinking my, y'all don't care about none of this. I'm just gonna get into the install. As you guys know, I always spray my cap down and blow dry it down just so it doesn't move under my install. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this, what is this? Is this a powder? This powder, and cover my cap with it. Just the front, just to darken the cap up a little bit so there isn't a line of demarcation. RK by Kiss mineral powder, and it's in shade RMP10. Just looks like this. Okay, so next up I'm gonna go in and clean my hairline with some alcohol. Oh yeah, it's really pretty, but this hairline, y'all see what I'm saying? Bro, I'm so annoyed. I would literally have to. I would literally have to. Does it look that bad? Yes, it looks really bad. Literally gotta crop this shit over. Oh my god, I literally gotta crop this shit over. Okay, you guys, so after my mental breakdown, I got an idea to basically cut into the hairline and basically cut where those roots in the front, in the very front, were dyed like platinum blonde. I basically just basically just cut into the hairline just so that wouldn't show, because I was way too lazy to go back in and dye my roots back black. If you guys ever make a mistake and dye your roots blonde, just go back in with some dye and cover them. Don't cut into your hairline because it can really ruin your wig. This is my personal wig, that's why I did this. But yeah, I was not about to spend 2 more hours crimping this hair, washing, blow drying, dyeing. Like, I just really didn't feel like doing all of that. So this is basically the lazy way to do it. Yeah, so I'm just going to install my wig and have you guys just watch the process, and I will be back with my commentary. Okay, love, so this is the final look for the install. I am going to stand up so you guys can see how long it is. I'll probably insert a clip. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but yeah, it's really, really pretty. The hair is soft. I loved that I crimped this hair 2 days ago and the crimps were still in. I just had to refresh the front part. Yeah, so this tells me that this hair really does hold a curl really, really well. I didn't get much tangling out of this hair at all. This HD lace is really, really, really HD lace. Like, yeah, this is some real HD lace. It didn't take much to melt the lace into my skin. It's kind of a little highlightery, it's kind of a little light around the hairline just because You guys know I over bleached my hair, over bleached my roots, so some of the roots are blonde, which is why I had to cut into the hairline in the first place. But like I said, it's all about finessing your install. The cons about this hair is only really the knot, like I mentioned before. I think I mentioned it, I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but I had to bleach this. I had to bleach these knots 3 times with 40 volume developer. Now I never use 40 volume developer when I'm bleaching my knots because it's just way too harsh. But the first time I went in with 30 and it didn't lift at all. Like the knots were still dark brown and I left it on for 30 minutes. Second time was 40 and I left it on for 45 minutes. Still knots. Third time, 40 volume developer, left it on for about an hour. And the knots finally lifted, but there were still some black knots on the lace. Maybe when you bleach your knots with this specific type of lace, maybe have your bleaching mixture like a thinner consistency maybe, and maybe it'll work out that way. The hair is beautiful. Like I really like the hair. This is my first time having crimps. Really pretty. Probably first and last time having crimps because this took 2.5 hours to crimp this hair. My crimper is from Bedhead. It is the Wave Artist. I got these from Amazon. I think they were like $30. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And yeah, let me get up really quick and show you guys the full length to where the hair stops and everything. This is how the back looks. And stops about like right here, past my butt. Again, this is 250 density, and I'm out of breath. I'm so sorry. Whew, I need to get in shape. But this is 250 density. Yeah, perfect density. Super pretty. So this concludes today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you like this look. Make sure you thumbs up this video. It really does help me out a lot when you guys like the video and comment. So if you guys would like to see me grow and succeed, I would appreciate if you just leave me any comment. Like you can leave a heart eyes, a heart, a thumbs up, anything. Just make sure you guys leave a comment. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 20K. I'm so excited. Yeah, if you guys order this hair, make sure you come to this video and comment what your experience was. Like I always say, I want to make sure that these companies are sending the same hair to customers as they are to the influencers. These are sponsored reviews, but I always give my honest opinion. Don't ever think otherwise. If some hair is trash, I will either not review it or tell you guys it's trash. I promise. All the links to Julia hair will be down below. Make sure you guys check out the description box for the links. And I think I'm gonna get a discount code so you can get your coins off. And yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are already subscribed. Make sure you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.